It's always good to party. But that's lame. Battery dead? Well, what if we tell you there is a mini wearable camera that sustains 5 hours FHD recording, 24 hours time-lapse recording, and standby for over 120 hours. Let's meet Caply, the revolutionary mini wearable camera. Keeps up with all your active lifestyles. Caply is on the go for every part of your life. It's easy to attach it to any surface and object to make sure your hot blood and sweat will be remembered and your exciting moments are captured. When you are right at the peak moment and the camera is far from your reach, well, all you need is voice command.
Caply, take a photo!
If you had one shot to seize everything you wanted in just one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip? And Caply is right for you. Just swipe it and you're all set. Missing out? Unaccepted. When it's done, simply preview, edit, and share it to your social networks with Caply's app. Continuously surprise your friends with spectacles of your life's journey. And joys appear in your front. With Caply, you will no longer break a sweat, or, break a phone. And Caply is always ready to capture every one of your extraordinary moments. If you are a life logger that won't settle for anything but the best, Caply is always an ideal solution. Caply, go further, get funner!